So I have a very exciting video for you guys today. I've been doing the channel for a few years now, and I've collaborated with a whole lot of different brands, a lot of them startups, smaller micro brands, indie brands, that sort of thing. And I love that. I've enjoyed every bit of that. Not very often do the bigger brands, the big heritage brands, reach out to do collaborations like that. And for good reason. The channel isn't the biggest channel out there or anything, but the other day, one of my favorite watch companies in the affordable segment reached out and offered to send out a watch for a video. The company is Timex, and I am very excited about the possibilities that we have with them when it comes to sharing watches in the future from Timex. So hopefully this is the start of a long relationship with them. And I really appreciate that they did this. Full disclosure, the watch was sent to the channel for free, and I do not have to return it, although Timex has zero input into the content of today's video. So let's get straight to it and unbox the new watch. All right, here we go. I've got the Kershaw on deck for the unboxing today. Let's get right into it. Got a little card here. Thank you so much for being a Timex fan, and we hope you love your new watch. Thanks, friends at Timex. Let's get into this. And let me just clear up the mess here and check out the watch. All right, so Timex to me has been just killing it the last 4 or 5 years. They've had so many cool releases, especially some of their re-releases. This is a watch. I'm not sure exactly how long this one has been out. I'm not sure if it's a new release or not, or a new variation of this watch, but oh yeah. This was the color I was hoping for. Bit of a Black Bay vibe happening with it. So this is the Timex Harborside Coast dive style watch. Love the burgundy bezel there. Bezel action isn't bad. It's a little bit slippery with these gloves on, but it's actually pretty well finished. Get the little tag out of there. Get this thing going. We're right in the middle of the date change there. Nice. Stamped clasp. This is a very affordable watch, though. Not sure if we have the price tag. I'll post the price on screen now. I'll have to look that up later, but I know this is a very affordable watch. It's a 100-meter watch, so you can get away with just about anything with this one. Yeah, this is going to be a whole lot of fun to wear. I love the gold accent on the bezel. Nice. I'm really impressed with it, just with having it just for a couple of minutes here. Now let's give it a try on wrist. And here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. The brush and polished bracelet is looking good. One of my favorite parts of the watch is actually the gold accent. So there's the gold on the bezel as well as the markers and handset. And what I'm going to do is I'll take a few shots so you guys can see some of the details of the watch and post those at the end of this video. But make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a follow-up video on this watch in the next few days, the next week to 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm looking forward to spending some time with it. Big thanks again to Timex for reaching out and getting this out to the channel. Hugely appreciate that. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.